Hello guys, welcome back. In the day 64 of Daily Speaking Challenge, I'm talking on camera every single day here in English until get fluency, until I will feel that I'm really good at speaking to survive in this world, to talk to speakers and to pass exams like TOEFL or IELTS. Today I'm gonna do TOEFL speaking practice questions like on YouTube, and let's check this out. Do you prefer learning subjects more theoretically or with more practical applications? I would definitely choose doing practical applications in every single chance where I've got, because we actually will learn something. We learn any subject to apply in real world. Any skills, like if we can't apply it, if we don't know how to actually use it, how to extract positive moments, extract revenue from this, get some profits, then it just was wasting of time. You will learn anything much more faster and better with the practice since the first day, since the first moment. Even if you don't know how to actually do it right now, this practice, and you will try, you will look how other people do this. You will take something from them and try in the practice. It's going to be a much more effective way of learning than just sitting in the classroom and learning theory. Second task, guys, in TOEFL situation was the text. I read the text and it was about problem at university with the doctor treatment, with the medicine, with the hospital. Like it is always overcrowded in a hospital and you have to wait for hours to get to doctor room and get a treatment from them. And second problem is that sometimes doctors just don't have enough time to service everyone because overcrowded, and it's not gonna be proper treatment, like proper service from them. Then someone suggests to the university management to solve this problem and add some hire new staff of doctors to get more people who can serve you. And then second problem with overcrowded, keep this hospital open during the weekends, because it's open only till Monday to Friday, but someone can get sick in the weekend and they have to wait till Monday to go to hospital. And then I listened conversation and heard that students doesn't agree with the previous decisions, because university can't hire more doctors just because of dimensions of hospital and rooms. There is no enough space in a hospital to place more doctors. It's impossible. We need to buy a new building or build it. And about weekends, it's actually lame because a lot of students leave the campus on the weekends, so it's not gonna be like a widespread among students to go to hospital in the weekends, because they will go home and get some treatments from parents or family. In the next task, I have to explain the principle of comparative advantage based on the lecture. Comparative advantage is the economy system when, for example, country will buy some products from another country because it's gonna be cheaper than produce the same products in the first country. For example, economic relationship between USA and China. China has a lot of manufacturers, can produce a lot of goods, really, and USA also have a lot of manufacturers, have all the structures, all the technologies to produce the same goods. But for USA, it mostly more profitable economy to buy these goods from China in a cheaper price than produce it by themselves. Just it's gonna be profitable and they can save money by buying a lot of goods from China. And finally, last task. What are the benefits of online networking? Several benefits, like with the internet, it's clearly, absolutely. First of all, it's running business. It's gonna be much more easier with the internet, because you have access to communication from with people from all over the world, from any country. You can interact with them, connect, calling, messages, texting, anything, and it will increase your visibility in the network. It will create profile for your business. You can share all the experience in I don't know, in some website or something on, for example, on YouTube channel. You'll create clear description. You can participate in online conference, in online meetings, and share your knowledge, your experience. So people will notice you. You will get popular, and you will just rise your business. Alright guys, I was speaking for today. Continue working, continue learning, every day with you. See you tomorrow. Good luck everyone in your business.